Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to generate code with Replit AI. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm using the Replit AI assistant. I simply type a prompt describing the code I want to generate. For this example, I ask Replit AI to create a simple Python program. After submitting the prompt, Replit AI starts analyzing my request and generates the code automatically. Within a few moments, the AI creates the program based on my instructions. This is one of the fastest ways to write code because you don't have to start from scratch. If the generated code isn't exactly what I need, I can simply ask Replit AI to modify it, add new features, explain the code, or fix any errors. Replit AI supports many programming languages and can help with websites, Python applications, JavaScript projects, and much more. Using clear prompts helps the AI generate better and more accurate code, and that's how you can generate code with Replit AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.